going right now?
Yep.
We nail this up high to the wall, out of our way. Just put a hand drive in it. Peel them off one at a time. It's perforated. There's a sticky back. We're going to pull the sticky back off. This one's wet, so it's not going to do too good of a job. This gap is the middle, so here's halfway. We want to go behind, on top, and underneath. Behind, on top, underneath. We'll pull the siding out, because remember we didn't put a nail here, so they're all loose, all the way up the line. We're going to go behind, on top, and underneath. So when you look at it, you can't see it up underneath. We don't want it to be hanging down. We want it to be up behind, underneath, and stick it to the wall. And then we nail it on. Okay, I'm going to pull off 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 of them. Okay, we're going to go behind, on top, underneath, centered on the gray. I push it tight in my hand. Nail, nail. Okay. Again, it's nice and loose first. Behind, on top, underneath. Boom. Nail, nail. Then, nice and loose. Behind, on top, underneath. Two more. Behind, on top, underneath. And we're good.